Almost 10,000 people came here to the state convention to not only voice their support for their candidates, but also their concerns about individual issues that affect their communities. Both sides, however, are prepared to make a compromise. Packed lines wind outside the Alamo Dome.
Well, it's important not only for me, but for my community. I represent Laredo and Webb County. I want to make sure that our community needs are heard at the state level and the national level.
Delegates from all over the state, like Frank Castillo from Webb County, are here looking out for this and future generations. His daughter is following in her father's footsteps.
We're here with a few petitions, and we're asking fellow delegates to sign for a higher minimum wage.
The minimum wage, or limiting political contributions, are some of the topics delegates want to discuss in the National Democratic Convention.
I'd like to see money limited in politics. Right now, folks that have a major amount of money can make a contribution, and their voice seems to count more than the rest of us. So I want us all to have an equal say, an equal vote.
Opposing views are welcome here. Some are pushing for Hillary.
She touches on all areas: education, health care, veterans, seniors, and we have so many problems with our nation with Medicare and Social Security.
Others continue rallying for Bernie.
It's very important that Bernie and those of us that support Bernie keep giving him support so that he can advocate and push Hillary on those types of issues.
Many Berners say they're hoping Hillary adopts more of his ideas.
The idea of universal health care, it's very, very important to me. Income inequality, that's very important to me, the pay gap between women and men.
Sanders inspired 17-year-old Clarissa to become involved in this democratic process. And inspiration also comes from seeing the needs of communities like Webb County.
Well, I'm trying to influence as far as the immigration issues, healthcare issues especially. I know the minimum wage issue, the $15 minimum wage.
The Democratic Party hopes these conventions continue engaging more people in policy creation. With enough momentum, this could transform Texas' political landscape.
I do think Texas will become more competitive. This state was Democratic for so long. Now it's been fairly Republican for a few decades. So these things take some time to change, but we're working on it, and we believe it's going to happen.
Now that the state convention wraps up, those delegates, including some Laredoans who were chosen as national delegates, are getting ready for the national convention. But those who were not chosen tell us they feel now more inspired to take part and improve the democratic process at a local level. Reporting for KGNS, I'm Valerie Gonzalez from San Antonio.